In this video, you will learn how to create a lead magnet on Wix. First, log into your Wix account, head over to wix.com and sign into your account, or create a new one if you do not have an account. Create and edit a page. Choose the site you want to add your lead magnet to. Use the Wix editor and add a new page, or select an existing landing page. Then, add a lead magnet offer. Insert a text box, image or banner highlighting your lead magnet, such as download our free ebook or get a free checklist. Then, make it eye-catching. Use bold headline and a clear value proposition. Use Wix Forms to collect emails. Go to the left-hand menu and click Add. Then click Contact and Forms, then select Forms. Make a simple form such as your name and email address, or you can customize it however you like. Then, add a call to action button, such as Get my free guide or download now. Connect to email marketing. Go to Marketing and SEO, then Email Marketing. You can set up an automated email that delivers the lead magnet after someone submits to the form. Upload your lead magnet file. Upload your PDF, checklist or video under the Wix under Media. Upload media. Use the file link in the emails so subscribers can download it instantly. Publish and test. Hit publish on your site, test the form, email automation and file link to ensure everything works smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.